Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Lost your Google TV streamer remote again? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to find your lost remote using built-in Google TV features, your phone, sound alerts, and a few smart tricks that actually work. So if your remote disappeared under the couch, behind the bed, or somewhere impossible to find, keep watching. Section 1. Use the Find My Remote feature. The easiest method is using the built-in Find My Remote feature available on newer Google TV streamer devices. Step 1. Go to your Google TV streamer device. Step 2. Look for the small button located on the back or side of the streamer box. Step 3. Press that button once. Section 2. Stop the sound alert. Once you find the remote, press any button on it to stop the beeping sound. Simple as that. Section 3. Use the Google TV app on your phone. If you can't find the remote immediately, you can still control your Google TV using your smartphone. Step 1. Install the Google TV app from the Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Make sure your phone and Google TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Open the app and tap the remote icon. Step 4. Select your Google TV device and enter the pairing code shown on your TV screen. Section 4. Extra tips to never lose the remote again. Here are a few smart tips to avoid losing your Google TV remote in the future. Use a bright-colored silicone remote cover. Keep the remote in a fixed location. Attach a Bluetooth tracker or AirTag-style device. Avoid placing it inside blankets or couch cushions. Conclusion. And that's how you can quickly find your lost Google TV streamer remote in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google TV, Fire Stick, and streaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.